Lemon is a small fruit, green when unripe and yellow when ripe, which originates from Asia, particularly China and India. It has a sour taste thanks to the presence of citric acid in its juice, giving it a characteristic acidic pH of about 2.2. Lemon is widely used in cooking in versatile ways in the different cuisines of the world. Its juice, pulp, and rind are all used in many applications in the culinary world. Though lemon can be consumed at all times of the day and in diverse ways, drinking hot water lemon especially before going to bed is said to have many more benefits and as such is becoming popular these days. Hot water lemon is simply lemon juice mixed in a cup of hot water or a slice of lemon steeped in a cup of water. Here are some of the benefits. Improves the immune system function. Vitamin C is vital for the synthesis of white blood cells, which are the body's #1 line of defense against injury. White blood cells swallow up and digest bacteria, preventing them from growing in numbers in our bodies and eventually making us sick. Vitamin C is generally used prophylactic, to boost the body's immune system to ward off infections and prevent disease state. 1 tablespoon of vitamin C contains approximately 10 milligrams of vitamin C, and the adult recommendation is 75 milligrams to 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day. Vitamin C is also a strong antioxidant, which protects the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Improves cold and flu symptoms. Vitamin C has been reported in reducing cold and flu symptoms like nasal congestion, running nose, sneezing, and coughing, as well as shortening the duration of the cold or flu. Drinking hot lemon water before bed has been reported to reduce nasal congestion and sore throats. Improves metabolism. Drinking lemon water before bedtime hydrates the body, and good hydration improves the functioning of the mitochondria, which is the body's powerhouse for energy generation. This increased metabolism increases the body's calorie-burning potential, eventually leading to weight loss. Besides, drinking lemon water encourages you to drink more water than you normally would, which makes you fuller and is a good substitute for sugary drinks that add calories and make you fat. Blood sugar control. Lemons slow down the rate of starch digestion, thus preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels and enabling diabetics to better manage their blood sugar levels. The polyphenols in lemon also have been reported to prevent obesity and improve insulin resistance by stimulating lipid glucose metabolism. The polyphenol hesperidin, for example, has been reported to affect the expression of the genes of the enzymes that regulate glucose, improving hyperglycemia and type 2 diabetes. Helps with kidney stones. Citrus fruits such as lemons contain good concentrations of citrate that raise the citrate levels in the urine and prevent kidney stones formation. Citric acid coats small stones, preventing other materials from attaching to them and building onto them to form larger stones. Research has demonstrated that people who consume more citrus fruits decrease their risk of developing kidney stones. Farther, vitamin C present helps to inhibit kidney stone formation or breaks up already formed kidney stones in affected person. Aids digestion. Vitamin C stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid, which is vital for helping us digest food and preventing indigestion symptoms like burping, farting, and heartburn. Indigestion can affect your quality of sleep and make you restless throughout the night. Indigestion has been reported to be common in people suffering from insomnia. Hence, drinking some vitamin C-rich hot lemon water before bedtime can enhance food digestion and improve your quality of sleep. Decreases stress levels. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that reduces levels of stress in our blood. It reduces other indicators of physical and emotional stress like enlargement of the adrenal gland, loss in body weight, reduction in the size of the spleen, and reduction in the size of the thymus gland. Students who consumed vitamin C in one study showed reduced levels of both anxiety and stress. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C enable the body to control cortisol levels, which trigger stress.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.